Hello again, my friends. I've just woke up, I'm running late, I've got an appointment with a breakfast. It's a cheap breakfast just before you enter the city centre. I've got to pass by here though, they're restricting the Faster Masters movement. I've already shown my ticket, why do I need to show it again? Do you not trust me? Onwards and upwards, my friends. Here we go, Moxie's. Open sesame. You know what's happening. Here we go. 2025, extra obnoxious mode engaged. Let me get my too good to go thing out. Hold on. Can this annoying YouTuber collect his breakfast even though he's late? Wow. Hi there, I am an annoying YouTuber, obviously. I'm here to pick up my too good to go outfit. Can I get that? Thank you so much. There you go. Thank you so much, my friend. He's okay being in camera?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. There we go. Thank you, my friends. He's having a good day.
Not too bad. Just swipe that score.
Perfect. Thank you. You've got a wee place here. Look at that. Wow. I like this. TV there. You've got the guitars and stuff. The reason I said no to coffee is because I've had so much coffee this morning already. I woke up, I had 3 cappuccinos in the house, and then I moved onwards, my friends. But let's sit here and review this. Oh, look at this. The fella's brought us over a wee cup for coffee. Amazing service. So let's see what's in the bag. Now this cost £4. £4 just before you get to city centre. But wow, look at this already. I can already see. Excuse my shaky hands, I've had so much caffeine this morning already. Look at this. Look at this. You've got wee croissants here. You've got a lovely wee apple. We have, oh, hold on, what's in the bag? We have a banana and we have a nice little yogurt. So in this box we also have, oh wow, there's many things. There's many things here for the Faster Master. Right, so there you go, my friends. We have a banana, an apple, some croissants, we have a yogurt, we have the ability to have coffee, cappuccinos, whatever. We have sausages, we have bacon, we have eggs, we have beans, we have everything. And all for £4. And look at where we're sitting. Beautiful environment, beautiful staff. I could play the guitar, if I could play the guitar. But there we go, beautiful. If you're here for the food part's done. See you later. If you're here for the atmospheres and the photons, we're only just beginning, my friends. Look at this. The blue skies are out in Glasgow. This is what I like in the winter. Clear blue skies. Look at the birds flying high. And I'm feeling good. I've got a sausage in me. And I'm moving onwards. So let's have a wee look. I'm not keeping these long, but I just want to show you what it looks at this end of the town on a beautiful clear day in Castle Street. Because there's a castle somewhere. Is that the Royal or is it that castle? I don't know. Anyway, all looks like castles. The oldest house in Glasgow over there, is it opened? There's only one way to find out. Listen, the muff is in overdrive. See it? Boom. Is this opened? It is. Right, hold on. Hold on. Right. Wow. How you doing? Hi, I'm an annoying YouTuber. Can I capture some of your atmosphere here for my friends on YouTube? Sure. Thank you so much.
I'll just let you get on with it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Although, now hang on a minute, I need to watch that you're allowed to do that.
All right, okay.
Let me just double check with my boss, who's across the road.
Right. She had to check with her boss and, you know, I'm not going to wait while she checks. It's nothing personal or anything like that, it's just we don't have the time. We'll go back. I don't want to get her into trouble. And anyway, well, you've seen what it looked like in the entrance. And that's what we're here for. We're here for the entrances. Right, enough talk about sausages and entrances. There we go. This is what you're here for. You thought it was a food review. No, it's Faster Master TV. We don't just do food reviews. We put on dodgy spectacles and we go in and we embarrass ourselves. And then we stick sausages in our mouth. Then we go in the oldest house in Glasgow and get a knockback. The path of the mall and diner burn, the water that provided all of Glasgow. See, I told you it would be a history channel at some point. That's about the depth of my history lesson on this channel. It's not a history channel, it's a capturing of atmospheres channel. I know what some of you are thinking, this is where they filmed the Batman. And you're right, but it was also where the Faster Master was born. As I fired a love arrow into the city centre about 4 months ago, we stood down there, which we'll go shortly, and we fired a metaphorical love arrow into the city centre, and then I went and picked it up. Guess where I started? The sketchy four corners. Why? I don't know. But then all of you appeared. Look at that. Sun's out, muffs out, we're out. That's it. Don't need any more. From daylight to darkness. So that's how the channel was formed, my friends. I had loads of fear and anxieties and doubts, and I came here early in the morning and I fired a love arrow, a metaphorical love arrow, into the city, and it was just full of pure passion. Do you know that way you're feeling your heart's aching to the point where you're like, oh, just like that, you keep taking deep breaths? It was like that, and I fired into the city centre. And then I went the next week and I picked it back up. I collected that love, and it was in the form of expressing, honestly expressing, even though there's a bit of showmanship and a bit of madness in the channels, you know, but it's out there, pushing it. And then when I get in places and I actually speak to people, and then when I actually speak to yourselves in the lives or the comments, then it's all real, isn't it? So that's how the channel was formed, and that's how we begin it for 2025. We've got more love to pick up in the city centre, so I'll see you there and everywhere else in between, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me. It's 2025, and I love you all so much for thanking me, for joining me, for helping me, everything that you have done. This is only the beginning. We're about 3-4 months in. There's 5,000 days. Glaswegians, people from New York, people from Canada, people from Kuwait, people from Australia, New Zealand, everywhere. Let's move onwards, my friends. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.